Mahima Creations
proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bye-bye. नमस्कार
नमस्ते.
नमस्कारा
Vanakkam.
खुश आमदीद
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल
మీకు అందరికీ వందనము.
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जनेन्द्र
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते या अली मदद.
मौलानी मदद बोलते सारे फीजी बंधुओं को बोलेंगे सब बोला बटजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं सिर्फ आलतू बाबा
And of course, myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो. Totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंधु जाने.
That's right, Banajan. Haters are going to hate our show even more because we're going to talk about something very important, Banajan. आज का topic Banajan is Wednesday. मतलब you should know that today already is day number 58 of COVID shelter in place, Banajan. Yes, if you're recently following the news, we also share with you guys as to that many counties are opening up. In California, I think almost 12 counties out of the 58 counties are opening up with different health guidelines for people to operate with physical distancing and everything, Balajan. And of course, our Santa Clara County and everything, Bay Area and also some other parts of the California are saying that they're far from deciding when to open also. But as of now, we have shelter in place until 31st of May
Right.
because the deaths with corona actually has not totally should I say, it's not totally gone down, at the same time it's not gone up as well. Pretty much it's kind of plateaued.
Right.
So that's why they're very cautious about these things. And iske baare mein jankari ke liye very simple. You got to follow us on Good Morning Baby. We share with you guys all these wonderful news items. And this news items, of course, you can catch up on our news blog, mediamahima.com.
Right.
And abhi ke liye Baljan, aaj ka topic hai Reka Wednesdays. Now, Reka Wednesday ka matlab kya hai, Baljan? Is, we always have seen the Indian cinema giving us all kinds of stories. All kinds of stories. And one of the major things they always talk about is love. They talk about love stories. And love stories always are pretty much, majority of them, 90% of the movies coming out of love stories are love stories in the first pehli baar, jab pyar kisi se hota hai. Well, actually, as everybody knows very famously, there is nothing called as first love. Right? We actually have established that already, right? Nothing called as, love at first sight, blah, blah, blah. It's all just a hoax.
Yeah.
It's all these marketing gimmicks, these guys. But there is love which actually happens somehow, somewhere something happens. And we know that people have gone to the extent of wrecking things up.
Right.
Wrecking their own home for the sake of love.
Right.
ऐसा भी होता है. Now आज ऐसे चीजों की बात कर रहे हैं मतलब because today is the day we got to give a lot of work for Faltu Rani because she loves this kind of topics.
No, why
What?
would you put the...
Wait,
you
you
but
like-
full disclosure, he came up with the idea.
I did, but the point is,
did.
Faltu Rani, I was saying that when talk about
Oh,
all these
मेरे में bill भाड़ रहा है, so people think that
tinsel down, trash talk, both I get it from you only, na Faltu Rani? Huh? And of course, Bajat, a lot of things happen that now suppose I'll tell you what, for something to form, right, something beautiful to happen or form, something should break.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm not kidding, Bandajan. Yes. For you to have realization, your romantic notion should break.
Right.
Right? All those things. Now, for instance, now we're talking about Indian cinema because easy target for everybody out here, even shamelessly us, are the people who are in limelight.
Right.
Right?
Right.
And I'll be very honest about this. Actually, is a sad part of life, but also is a kind of a true part of life. We always shoot at the fruit which is really visible to us.
Right.
Right?
Right.
So obviously our bandhus who are actually in industry automatically become automatic targets because every tabloid magazine wants to carry stories about them. Everybody wants to know about them, right? Now हमारे जो so-called जो भी है Melpa Jo, yes, she likes to read up any kind of stories, not just homewrecker stories. So, आज हम लोग Reka Wednesday we were talking. Hey, Mel Pancho Saab is asking you, Faltu Rani, you like homewrecker stories?
I don't like homewrecker stories.
Yeah, but she likes to read stories. She likes
I like stories, period.
Yes, she likes period stories also, by the way.
Yeah.
She's a big follower of Bahubali and also, what's the other one you talked about?
No.
Bahubali is a fantasy story. It's not a period story at all, Faltu Rani.
No, I don't have any of those kind of stories.
Okay,
Be
fine.
quiet.
Anyway, the point is today we're going to talk about that. Now, how will we engage audiences? What people ask. How will you engage audience?
How will I engage
But
audience?
then we're going to ask you because these are something which you guys know. They would have been in your dreams also. Yeah, there is somebody's dream boy, dream girl, dude. Faltwani.
True that, man.
Right?
True that.
And yeah, the instance, I'm not saying that you're going to wreck your home to get them, but what I'm trying to say is, हाँ कहीं पे तो कुछ तो हो रहेगा, right?
हाँ.
Obviously, they call it प्यार, but we don't know what it is, right?
हाँ.
We can't comment much about it. But yeah, किसी का तो घर टूटा किसी और का घर बसने के लिए.
हाँ.
Sad story.
किसी का घर टूटा किसी का घर बसाने के लिए.
Yes.
हाँ.
You got to break something to form something beautiful, Faltwani.
हाँ, that's true.
Right?
Altubaba.
It's okay. It's fine. I'm not. And by the way, we're not judging anybody right now. Let me clearly tell you on that. So what we'll ask you maximum is,
Why we not judging? Totally we'll judge, Banujan. No, I'm just kidding.
okay. And Vishalji saying Bahubali 1 and Bahubali 2. Why do you think it became famous? Everybody loves kind of period stories.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. He's got. By the way, I was just thinking about. I saw your photograph, Vishalji. He's definitely Kattappa with without beard.
Ah,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, you can see his photograph on.
Does Kattappa look like that?
Without beard.
Oh, I didn't
Without
know
beard.
that.
Acha, Faltwani, how about we start off like what we're going to do? We're going to talk about the star,
Huh.
and probably you would know more about the star also, Banujan. So we'll ask you
Huh.
whether this person constitutes to be a home wrecker or no.
Hmm.
Right? आज Wrecker Wednesday पे ऐसे बात करने वाले. And of course, Bajan, it is not. No. Ladies, please stop saying, "Huh, I remember this particular lady. I know we'll talk about them anyways." It's not just the ladies who are home wreckers, please. It is even the men.
Huh.
They're equally at fault.
Huh.
We'll talk about those things also. And आज आप लोगों को यहाँ पे कॉल करने का नंबर है 4089122479 408 9122479. वैसे देखा जाए तो फालतू सबसे बड़ा जो भी सो कॉल्ड फिल्मी लव स्टोरीज होती है ना
Huh.
ऑफ स्क्रीन टॉकिंग ऑन स्क्रीन
हाँ.
ऑफ स्क्रीन की जो भी लव स्टोरीज होती हैं ऑल हैव अ सैड थिंग टू इन द बैक एंड
Huh.
राइट
Huh.
नाउ let me tell you one thing.
Huh.
How about we start off with one song for our bandhus to ask whether the bandhus can tell us who this particular person we're talking about.
Well, Banujan, you have to identify who the person who had a ball here is, meaning the wrecking ball.
Wrecking ball, yes.
Who went
What is that?
and
That
wrecked
sounds like one of those cyber,
the
hey.
boing boing dong.
those things. What do you call those things, man?
I have no idea.
Hey, the lightsabers.
Oh, really? Sort of. They kind of like precision.
Well, no, these people actually are wrecking ball, literally wrecking balls.
They literally are
Literally taking the ball. Like, have you imagine Miley Cyrus to be sitting along with them and they go against a building or a household, right? ऐसे ही बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग जान. Again, यहाँ पे कॉल करने का नंबर है 4089122479 408 9122479. That does not mean all the people, actors in our industry are that way, but there are some people who are, and of course they follow their heart, I guess, is what they say, right?
Right.
So now, Faltani, how about we start off with a nice song,
Huh.
okay?
And
now-
the bandhus have to identify who the actor or actress is, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, who's the wrecker?
Who's the wrecker? Is that thing, okay?
So आपको इस नंबर पे कॉल करना है 4089122479.
Yes, 4089122479. So Faltani is giving me, oh, Vishal is talking love triangles. No, इसमें love triangle की बात नहीं है भाई. Love triangle अलग होती है. We'll talk about love triangles also, where it actually is not wrecked.
Well, you know, there are people who came to the verge of wrecking.
We'll talk about that also. You call that love triangle, yes. Real life love triangles also is possible, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
fine too.
yeah, that's fine too.
Which was an accepted affair.
Yes, but the thing is, that's where love triangle में क्या होता है? Love triangle has got stability, wherein the home doesn't break actually.
That's true.
Like
what do we
classic
do?
example is Tabu.
Not Tabu. Chhi,
Tabu
no.
is classic example. Nagarjuna Tabu.
The song that I am going to play is what is going to be a classic example, Altubaba, of two homes that got wrecked. Almost got wrecked, but
There
they
you
didn't
go.
get wrecked.
Faltoni is going to play a nice song. You guys got to tell us who and what it is all about. Who are the wreckers in this? Number to call 408-912-2479 408 9122479.
408-912-2479.
बजा
लगाई ना मैं.
बजा फाल्तनी और बजा और लगा. Here you go, बजा.
Classic example बोले तो ये classic example है आलतू बाबा, where it came close to wrecking but didn't wreck.
से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल। प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल। कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल। कहो कि अपनी प्रीत का गीत न बदलेगा कभी।
कि कहो इस राह का नीत न बदलेगा कभी। प्यास टूटा साच छूटा
चाँद
चांद
न चमकेगा कभी।
Banduja, what a classic love story it was. No, I'm not talking about the movie. Let's go to Pati waiting right. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के रेकर वेडनेसडे में. Who's this? Hello.
हेलो
Hi, पैम पैम.
पंपाओ।
हाँ, कैसे हैं आप?
हेलो
हाँ, मधु जी बोले कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
First
आज
class.
मतलब प्यार का अच्छा टॉपिक चुना आपने।
हाँ हाँ,
Good.
it's called the home wrecker Wednesdays, but we do the
होम
home
मेकर, होम ब्रेकर, नॉट होम ब्रेकर, होम मेकर।
Home wrecker.
रेकर कुछ बनाने के लिए कुछ तोड़ना पड़ता है. यस यस.
Okay, what's your question? What do you want to ask me?
अभी जो गाना लगाया हमने,
हाँ.
इसमें रेकिंग बॉल कौन बैठा पे ऊपर कौन बैठा था?
राज कपूर जी, नरगिस।
हाँ, दोनों की तरफ से आग लगी थी, राइट? दोनों की तरफ से. आप बोल
बहुत
रहे
प्यार से दोनों को, बहुत प्यार था।
हाँ हाँ, है ना? That's what we heard. We don't know for sure. It's all hearsay, right, Faltoni?
No. There was a roaring love affair.
Uh-huh.
उन दोनों का बड़ा सा love affair चला
So
था.
Madhu ji was right.
She's absolutely
नो,
right.
बहुत लव फेयर था। मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जब ये नरगिस जी को हुआ था ना कैंसर, वो न्यूयॉर्क में थी।
Uh-huh.
तो राजपूत जी was traveling to New York and I was there in the same plane.
Wow.
Oh.
इतनी शराब पी रहे थे, कह रहे थे वो नरगिस कि मैं आपको नहीं बता सकती। And he died only because of that.
Wow.
He drank lot of नरगिस के गम में उन्होंने बहुत शराब पीते थे और बहुत ऐसा प्यार किसी का नहीं मूवी लाइन में।
Wow.
They made so many love movies also, but they never a home breaker.
I know. Yeah, that's what it actually was, a total triangle where it was actually a standstill or stalemate kind of a thing, right?
Right.
But thank you so much,
Yeah.
Madhu ji. 100% right. ऐसे बहुत सारे stories के बारे में बात करने वाले आज, and आपका participation बहुत जरूरी है, okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much. सुनते
Thank
रहिएगा.
you so much for calling in.
See, Faltoni, it's a very nice topic actually to think about.
Oh, really?
एक तो होता है कि fantasy, जहाँ पे we think about all these, we see the movies and the movies make us think about all those things. But at the same time, there also is a part where actually the fantasy becomes reality.
Right.
Now,
right.
I remember we actually spoke about it last week when Dr. Rishi Kapoor Saab and his life,
Huh.
and how his life was no different from his movie life.
Right.
As in his love for his, the loves in his fans,
Right.
the love interests in his life.
The loves of his life.
The love interest in his life and love interest in his films are pretty much, the line was blurred out somewhere,
Uh-huh.
right? Probably it happens. People who are so involved in those creative arts, right?
Yeah.
You know, how long, I think you might say, oh, it's all a make-believe, right? Dude, the whole life is a make-believe, actually. So, you can actually believe whatever you want to believe. If you feel if somebody is in love with you, love with them. That's simple.
Well,
It carries forward, I guess.
Well, Alto Baba, here's what I can tell you. Raj Kapoor साहब का जो इन्होंने बताया, right?
Huh?
He was actually married when he started this love affair.
Krishna
with,
Kapoor.
he was married to Krishna Malhotra.
Malhotra.
It was in 1946 they got married.
I don't know why you know this. What is the point of knowing all this? But
The reason is because in 1948 Aag came out, right? And you know that R.K. banner, like that they say even today was the iconic love affair of Raj Kapoor of Bollywood. Bollywood, which was the taboo, not to be talked about kind of love
Oh.
affair. 7 years they had an affair.
7 years.
7
they made,
years,
They
but-
made movies 7 years. So here's what I look at. The way it
No,
works.
no,
right?
they made movies beyond that also.
I'm sure.
1948 se 1960 tak.
I'm sure the point what I'm trying to make here, Fadwani, is see if you work with somebody so closely with these kind of movies, and all these movies are uber romantic movies, you had to live the role, right? And Raj Kapoor sir was a person who was very involved in his job, right? Obviously, he was involved with all the heroines he worked with, actually. So hota
No
yaar.
kidding, Bandujan.
ताज्जुब की बात है
And it was self-admitted, right? He
Of course it
himself
is.
was involved with every single one of his heroines, and he was smitten by Nargis. They say he was completely smitten, but unfortunately, he was a married man actually. And anyway, Nargis was hoping that he would marry her, but eventually it did not work out. She was
Oh.
already a superstar by then.
Yeah,
And
she didn't require him anymore.
well, it's not just that. It's just the fact that he was not willing to leave his wife anymore.
Oh.
Yeah. So they'd been in a constant companionship, like on screen, off screen, everywhere, right? And she was hell bent. She really wanted to marry him, even after knowing that it was legally impossible at
Well,
that
so
time.
here's the we're not going to call it, we're not going to say Nargis madam was the wrecking ball here.
Yeah.
We would actually give thappa or give the particular title to Raj Kapoor.
If there is one major wrecker in Bollywood, it is Raj Kapoor sir.
Raj Kapoor Saab. So
Sorry.
here's a question for you guys. Now, if you guys can call in today on the number 408-912-2479,
Yeah.
you can actually share with us today. The question I'm asking for you right now is name at least 2 more heroines
Huh.
whose pretty much career he wrecked by associating with them
Huh.
professionally and also personally.
Yes.
Raj Kapoor Saab.
Really?
Yes. At least 2 more heroines.
What did he do?
He associated with them professionally and personally
Yes.
and wrecked their family totally. Their whole career, actually.
Wrecked their life, technically, almost.
Yeah, some people's career's life. So.
Yeah, and in fact, one of them he's rumored to have married secretly also.
Oh,
And during that time is when Krishna Kapoor finally left the home,
Oh,
and
wow.
she went and she lived separately. She lived somewhere else. Remember we talked about it when Rishi Kapoor's biography he talks about in Khullam Khulla, where they went and stayed at Chitrakoot.
possibly is this what Kajol did? Oh my God, Barja, I don't want to give away what's happening on the show today. We'll talk more about that also, Barja, what happened, how it happened and everything. We'll talk about that.
Yeah.
लेकिन अभी आपको बोलना पड़ेगा 2 other heroines with which जिनके साथ हमारे राज कपूर साहब के ताल्लुकात थे जो राज कपूर साहब in this case was the wrecker, not the other people. Please understand that. I am being very clear about this.
Yeah.
Why do you always blame the ladies to the home wreckers? No, dudes also do it.
Yes, what? It doesn't take one person to wreck a relationship.
Yeah,
Pooja,
there
it
has to be a
takes-
wall also there has to be broken.
Yes, exactly, exactly.
There should be a weak wall there for the wrecking ball to go wrecker.
Yeah.
It's
no,
not
no.
fair, Fadwani.
No, no, I'm not saying that at all. There's no weak ball.
So what Fadwani is saying is you can't have a clap with one hand. Well, all the Buddhists will say no, possibly you can.
Let me ask you, if a man didn't want to leave his marriage, and if the man was the one who was married, and he didn't want to break his marriage, then
He's the wrecking ball, right?
yeah, then why should you blame the woman who's
That's exactly. Fadwani always, I think, Mel Punch is right. Sometimes I feel you never understand me, Fadwani.
Kya?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
What is this? Mel Pancho is right. Mel Pancho is right. This I'm getting like okay,
He
whatever.
told it yesterday, no? He said like sometimes I feel like as though you guys, Fadwani doesn't know about Altaba at all.
What?
Yeah, anyway, welcome. Namaskar, आपका हंस Pam Pam में. Who's this? Hello?
This is Urminda.
Ah, Mel Pancho Urmilda. कैसे है सर? जय श्री
Okay,
कृष्ण.
I'm fine. I'm fine. First thing first, the elephant in the room. Okay.
Elephant in the room. Where's the elephant in the room? You
Where?
call me fat?
Oh, what?
Well,
My God.
look behind you. Look behind you.
Behind me is a red screen.
Yeah.
There's a red carpet.
No,
right
the
behind me.
elephant in the room. When I was telling yesterday that sometimes we feel like you guys really don't know each other.
Huh?
I actually called, but I never got to talk to you, so I'm gonna bring that up right now.
So you're gonna आप पुराने घाव को और खुरेत रहे हो?
Maybe. Let me tell you why, right? Because I remember like a long time ago, you guys were talking about something, okay? And all I know is that Altu Baba was asking Faltu Rani, hey, when you went to college, this, that, and the other thing happened, and then And then Faltu Rani started explaining that, hey, when I went to college, this is what happened. What about you? And I was like, wait a minute. Aren't you guys like brother and sister? Aren't you guys already know all those stories? Why you guys?
No, that's not right. That's not at all accurate in any which way. The guy tells me that you guys don't know much about us. Urmila, what is this?
Yeah.
Sometimes I wonder if people even know anything about anybody for the matter.
Exactly,
You
man.
can't say, we'll never know anything about anybody until we know. Well, actually, the only person who knows something about somebody will be the mother of a particular, child.
Right,
Right?
Anyways, I just wanted to just clarify why I said what I said. Yes.
No, it's okay, but you said
So
it. If you want to apologize, it's fine. Otherwise, don't clarify it.
Oh, I'm so sorry to bring it up.
Just
My God.
kidding. Achha, Urmila, but question today is Recommenders Day.
Oh yeah, it's very easy. Okay, it's Nargis and it's Vajantimala.
Nargis should be. Ek aur. Vajantimala, okay.
Nargis is done already.
We'll take Vajantimala's answer. One more.
Vajantimala is one answer. What's the other answer?
So Nargis and Vajantimala, is that not enough?
No,
No, there were two. There's a few heroines that he got involved with.
So Nargis तो already हमने बात कर दी उनके बारे में. एक और बोलो. Vajantimala, yeah, उनके from the hometown or whatever you call it of Vajantimala, one more person was there.
Yeah, but then
You mean Padma?
Padmini. Yes.
No,
Padmini, yes, Padmini, the heroine who was in Mera Naam Joke.
Correct.
yeah, he was supposedly very heavily linked up with Padmini also.
Supposedly.
I believe you. Actually, if you look at Vajantimala and Padmini, they have like a dance, like a duel or something, on
Yes.
on YouTube. Like they look alike and they even dance alike. So I won't be surprised.
They don't look alike, but they do have the same dance form. So basically, I think they would, and they're from they're contemporaries, by the way. They were contemporaries.
Yes.
Yeah, and they were very.
Well, they look alike in that. They look alike in that dance duel.
Yes, that's true. And again, thank you so much, Urmila, for calling in. And yes, you're right about that. I think there you go. Now
I think I was right about everything I said today.
No, depends.
By the way, it wasn't Padmini that I was looking for.
Got you. Okay, bye.
Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
And of course, Baja Urmila, whether he's right now, but he's one of our dear bandhus. So of course, that way he's always right that he's a good dear bandhu of us. So Faltwani, come on. So he gave us two names, very rightly
There's
identified.
one more heroine that was heavily linked up with Raj Kapoor Saab. Zeenat Aman.
Yes. Well, the point, Buddhajan, is I will tell you, so here the wrecking ball is not a female, but a male.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
जिनके सर पे उन्होंने ऐसा हाथ फेरा ऐसे उनका पूरा लाइफ खराब हो गया. Even Zeenat Aman, who actually did this movie where, what was that?
After Satyam Shivam Sundaram, it was a downturn for her, right?
Yeah, downturn over there. Including
Completely.
Padmini Kolhapuri, by the way.
Yeah.
All right, so Faltwani.
Huh.
Good. So we actually established our show today.
He established the first wrecking ball of the show.
And it was a male.
And that was a man.
Yes.
So from now on, it's going to be mostly all
No,
women.
there are male also, Baba. We'll go male, female probably that way,
Okay.
We'll try to give equal opportunity for both.
Okay.
So the next person I'm going to be focusing on, Badhujan, you got to tell us who this person is, because this particular person actually wrecked quite a lot of hearts.
Oh, really?
When she got married finally.
Huh?
Yes. Let's see if you guys can tell us who it is.
When she got married, finally.
Yeah.
Acha, okay. 408-912-2479.
And in this case, probably the wrecking ball would not be just a lady.
It was.
We also would say.
No, she wrecked quite a few hearts.
Yeah.
She had affairs which were hushed up because her mom wanted her to marry somebody like solid.
But who is this?
But
Who is this?
yeah.
408-912-2479.
होठों पे रंगत है, दिल में मोहब्बत है, क्या जिसमें औरत है, बस जन्नत ही जन्नत है. Dream girl, किसी शायर की गजल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का कंवल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी शायर की गजल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का कंवल ड्रीम गर्ल। कहीं तो मिलेगी, कभी तो मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल ड्रीम गर्ल, ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी शायर की गजल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का कंवल ड्रीम गर्ल। कहीं तो मिलेगी, कभी तो मिलेगी, आज नहीं तो कल ड्रीम गर्ल, ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी शायर की गजल ड्रीम गर्ल।
क्या हो गया बंधु जान, क्या आप सभी कुछ भूल गए इसके बारे में? हाँ हाँ, ड्रीम गर्ल तो थी सभी लोगों के लिए एंड एक फैमिली के लिए रेकिंग बॉल बन गई। कौन थी ये? फोन कीजिएगा 4089122479 408 912 2479।
लिपटी गुलाबों में, सिमटी हिजाबों में, लिपटी गुलाबों में, सिमटी हिजाबों में, ख्वाब में आती है भीगी शराबों में, पास रहती है वो पल दो पल। कौन? ड्रीम गर्ल, ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी शायर की गजल ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी झील का कंवल ड्रीम गर्ल।
एंड ऑफ कोर्स नंबर तो बोल दिया हमने ऑलरेडी 4089122479। फालतू नहीं, कॉल ले जाए।
Let's go. Hello, Pam Pam. कौन है जी?
हेलो,
हाय मधु जी, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ। आपका क्या क्वेश्चन किया है? मैंने सुना नहीं।
क्या
Question क्या है?
ये गाना जो बज रहा था, गाना सुना आपने?
या
हाँ, मैंने पूछा इसमें रेकिंग बॉल कौन थे?
धर्मेंद्र।
नहीं,
हेमा मालिनी।
हाँ, लेकिन एक्टर्स थे, लेकिन रेकिंग बॉल कौन थी? कौन, किसने किसने कितना रेक किया किसी और का घर का?
धर्मेंद्र से और हेमा मालिनी ने किया, और क्या?
हाँ, तो धर्मेंद्र जी का पहला शादी हुआ था।
हाँ, प्रकाश कौर उनकी वाइफ है।
हाँ, और बच्चे थे उनके।
हाँ, बच्चे थे। सब
हाँ।
फैमिली को अच्छी तरह जानती हूँ।
अरे तो हेमा जी ने क्या किया?
हैं?
हेमा मालिनी जी ने क्या किया?
हेमा मालिनी ने शादी करने के लिए मजबूर किया।
हाँ।
तो उनकी फैमिली उनके बच्चे नहीं करने देते थे धर्मेंद्र जी के, तो वो मुसलमान बन के शादी किया।
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे
बिकॉज
रेकिंग बॉल।
अदरवाइज ऐसे तो डिवोर्स नहीं के बगैर वो देती नहीं थी। प्रकाश कौर उनकी जो वाइफ थी,
हाँ,
तो वो उन्होंने फिर वो मुसलमान बने तो हेमा मालिनी से शादी किया। तो बहुत देर तक उनको नहीं मिले, पर बाद में थोड़ा बहुत जब वो पार्लियामेंट में आए हो गई हेमा मालिनी जी, तो थोड़ा उनको क्लोज हो गए।
वेरी गुड।
मुझे मालूम है फैमिली का सारा। आई नो प्रकाश कौर जी, आई नो देम फैमिली वेरी वेल।
वंडरफुल एंड थैंक यू सो मच मधु जी फॉर शेयरिंग दिस विद अस। एंड सुनते रहिएगा और ऐसे लाजवाब।
अभी और ऐसे है, उसको अमिताभ बच्चन ने देखा।
कुछ नहीं बोलेगा। हाँ।
बाद में बात करेंगे उसके बारे में। थैंक यू सो मच कॉलिंग मधु जी। नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के रेकर वेडनेसडे में। Who's this?
हाँ
Hello?
जी, मैं रंजीत भाटिया बोल रहा हूँ।
रंजीत भाटिया जी, वेलकम टू रेकर वेडनेसडेज।
कैसे है सर?
कैसे हैं?
हाँ जी, ठीक ठाक है।
तो आज के टॉपिक के बारे में आपको कोई टिप्पणी है, विशेष टिप्पणी?
हाँ, बस अभी मैंने सुना था तो ये धर्मेंद्र हेमा मालिनी।
अच्छा, ओके।
तो इसमें रेकिंग बॉल कौन थे? हु वाज द पर्सन हु रेक्ट व्हाट?
जितेंद्र थे ना, बीच में वो जितेंद्र से शादी होने वाली थी, उनकी माँ ने मना कर दिया था।
वेरी गुड, सही पकड़ा आपने। एंड एक
और
और
संजीव
लाइफ
कुमार भी शादी करना चाहते थे हेमा मालिनी से।
Exactly. And Sanjay Kumar was very sad thing because एक बार शादी होने के बाद I think he literally was drowning himself in sorrow, right?
हाँ,
हाँ.
Yeah.
The sad news actually.
yeah.
But yeah, thank you so much. Right, पता देखा
Like-
एक साइड में राज कपूर जी जिन्होंने 2-3 लाइफ्स को खराब किया, हेमा मालिनी जी यहाँ पे आके बहुत सारे लाइफ खराब किया।
हाँ, नहीं, एक मिनट। तो इसमें गलती किसकी थी?
हाँ, वाह, गुड पॉइंट फाल्तुनी।
गलती जितेंद्र की मम्मी की थी।
जितेंद्र की मम्मी की थी क्या?
हाँ।
कैसे?
और
कि उन्होंने धर्मेंद्र को इनवाइट किया?
नहीं, वो बाद में पछताई थी कि वो शादीशुदा आदमी से अपनी लड़की शादी कर रही है,
हाँ
तो जितेंद्र से कर लेती तो अच्छा था, वो कम से कम शादीशुदा तो नहीं था।
हाँ
Ah.
हाँ, सही बात है,
और
देखा?
आपको शायद मालूम होगा, धर्मेंद्र के लिए एक हीरोइन बहुत ज्यादा दीवानी थी।
हाँ, मीना कुमारी जी।
हाँ, मीना कुमारी,
बिल्कुल,
हाँ,
बिल्कुल।
उनकी जिंदगी को बर्बाद करके रख दिया
We
उन्होंने.
don't know about the Fatwani.
No, but-
सब here से मुझे मैं तब तो हम तो नहीं थे, लेकिन हम जो भी मालूम है from the articles and everything from
Yeah, what we read online, of course.
हाँ,
those
उसमें तो
stories.
of course always journalism that time was only about all.
Yeah, but she was married
glorifying
too,
the
right?
heroes.
She was married too, and then her life went from bad to worse because of the affair or whatever suspected affair that she was supposedly having with Dharmender, who completely dropped her like a hot potato afterwards.
हाथ
So
पड़े रहो, हाँ.
anyway, it was really sad. But तो इसमें आप कह रहे हैं होम रेकर कौन है, धर्मेंद्र जी है कि हेमा मालिनी जी है?
दोनों ही हैं।
हाँ, you'll never say Hema Malini, you know
Yeah,
why?
why?
Because Dharmendra also is equally our fault.
Exactly, and you know what?
Knowing very well he had 2 kids and all.
Yeah, but you know what? He's
क्योंकि वो जो शोले में जो शूटिंग होती है ना, वो जो आम तोड़ना सिखाते गुलेल से,
हाँ, हाँ.
तो धर्मेंद्र ने पैसे दिए थे कि उसको घड़ी घड़ी रीटेक करो।
Oh really?
Huh?
Wow.
What?
Hey, the one he teaches her to put the arm.
था ना,
Yeah.
उसको बोला था कि तुम इसको फाइनल मत होने देना, रीटेक करते रहना।
Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah.
तो
Jeez.
3 हीरो ने लाइन मारी, धर्मेंद्र जी ले गए अपना ड्रीम गर्ल को।
ओ ये अबला पगला दीवार था इसीलिए ना.
अभी वो हेमा मालिनी आई थी ना उस शो में, अपना कपिल शर्मा को उसमें बताया था उन्होंने।
Oh really?
हाँ हाँ.
या
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
हम तो उतना follow नहीं करते हैं TV television, so. But thank you so much for sharing that with us. Okay, we will take that as an answer. Yes.
हाँ,
Thank you
thank
for
you
nice
so much for
program.
calling in. Thank you so much, sir. हाँ, nice program. Yeah, very good.
हाँ, ऐसे ही अब सबका पोल खोलने वाले आज.
हाँ.
बहुत है ऐसे families.
अच्छा जी।
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
And
you.
of course, बच्चा देखो आपको भी कॉल करना है तो नंबर इज वेरी सिंपल 4089122479 408922479.
लेकिन आलतू,
हाँ.
ये देखो एक चीज मालूम है, धर्मेंद्र अभी भी प्रकाश कौर से उनकी he is still married to her,
Okay.
and for Hema Malini,
Yeah.
he had to convert to Islam. They got married according to Islamic tradition.
That's what even Madhuji talked about, right?
Yeah. So technically, he's married to both of them.
Okay.
Yeah. So is that a wrecking?
It's a triangle.
It's a wrecking. Yes.
Hey, I really call that situation wrecking because it really affects people's lives.
Yeah,
Man. I don't know. People think that it doesn't affect. Actually, every decision you make is affecting somebody's life.
Yeah.
So you got to think about it.
Correct.
Anyways.
Correct.
Okay. Cool. So next, I think you're coming to a close of the first hour right now.
Yeah.
तो एक obvious relationship में triangle है.
हाँ.
उसके बारे में बात करें.
Okay.
जिनके बारे में जिक्र होती है every time we talk about wrecking ball, but actually the best part is यहाँ पे जो नींव थी,
हाँ.
जो फैमिली का जो ये था,
क्या?
मॉरल्स थे,
हाँ.
इतने स्ट्रांग थे कि द wrecking ball only could create one crack and a little bit of an impact. थोड़ा पेन चला गया.
Really?
Yeah, but the person held together quite some time.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's because of the family values.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. It could also be because of the fact that he had grown children by then.
Well, excuse me, even what's his name? Dharmendra had grown children by then.
Oh, that's true. Actually, yeah.
Right?
That's part of the reason also why they didn't want to.
Yes, मैं इस बात से right. अमित रेखा के बारे में बात करें हम लोग.
हाँ.
ब्रेक पे जाने से पहले ये गाना डाल के जाएंगे जो गुलजार साहब की लिखाई है, right? If I'm not mistaken.
कौन सा गाना लगा रहे हो?
You have something lined up already?
No.
सिलसिले का गाना है ना?
हाँ. ये
तो-
कहाँ आ गए हम?
No, I was going to.
देखा एक ख्वाब.
हाँ.
हाँ.
हाँ, because ये ख्वाब देखते एक सिलसिला हो, मतलब हकीकत हो गया वो.
हाँ.
And that's what happened. It was more like their relationship on screen translated to real life.
Yeah.
Real में से real life चली गई.
हाँ.
And बहुत सारे से फिल्में बनी also. So here you go. This is what we're gonna leave you with this for this first hour. आएंगे next hour में बंदूजान with more such interesting topics to talk about.
के पास
The Wreckers Wednesdays.
दिल को भरम ये हो गया, उनको हमसे प्यार है.
Wrecker Wednesdays.
देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए, दूर तक निगाह में है गुल खिले हुए। देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए, दूर तक निगाह में है गुल खिले हुए।
ये गिला है आपकी निगाहों से, फूल भी हो दरमियां तो फासले हुए।
देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए, दूर तक निगाह में है गुल खिले हुए। मेरी सांसों में बसी खुशबू तेरी,
ये तेरे प्यार की है जादूगरी।
तेरी आवाज है हवाओं में,
प्यार का रंग है फिजाओं में।
धड़कनों में तेरे गीत है मिले हुए।
क्या कहूँ कि शर्म से है लब सिले हुए।
देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए,
फूल भी हो दरमियां तो फासले हुए। मेरा दिल है तेरी पनाहों में,
आ छुपा लूं तुझे मैं बाहों में।
तेरी तस्वीर है निगाहों में।
दूर तक रोशनी है राहों में।
चल अगर न रोशनी के काफिले हुए।
प्यार के हजार दीप हैं जले हुए। देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए।
We hope you're loving the music, the best music with the best entertainment. You know where it keeps getting hotter, and that's Radio D Hotties. And हाँ मैं आपकी फालतू रानी सुनते रहिएगा. There's more lovely music that we've lined up for you. Total D Hottie picks.
Hi, this is Anushka Sharma. You're listening to me on Radio Day Hotties with Altu Baba and Faltu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
सारा जमाना हॉटीज का दीवाना, जमाना कहे सुन लो ये पापा मस्ताना। सारा जमाना हॉटीज का दीवाना, जमाना कहे सुन लो ये पापा मस्ताना। सारा जमाना
क्या आलतू कह रहा है,
क्या फालतू कह रही है,
ये तुम भी आज सुन लो,
रेडियो को ट्यून कर लो,
ये दिल को बहला दे,
रूह को भी शाद कर दे,
जो कभी भी खत्म ना हो,
दिल में मजा वो भर दे। सुन लो मेरी बात, मेरी बात, हॉटीज का दीवाना,
The hotties का दीवाना,
जमाना कहे सुन लो,
ज़माना कहे सुन लो,
ये पापा मस्ताना,
ये पापा मस्ताना,
ये सारा जमाना.
On air जब भी आए,
खुशियाँ भी साथ लाए,
हर मर्ज की दवाएं,
हर दर्द भी मिटाए,
महिमा से हमने सीखा,
जीने का ये तरीका,
जी भर के मुस्कुराना,
दिल खोल के गुनगुनाना. सीख लो मत जा, सारा जमाना,
सारा ज़माना,
भी हॉटीज का दीवाना,
The hotties का दीवाना,
जमाना कहे सुन लो,
ज़माना कहे सुन लो,
ये पापा मस्ताना,
ये पापा मस्ताना,
ये सारा जमाना,
सारा ज़माना,
भी हॉटीज का दीवाना,
The hotties का दीवाना,
जमाना कहे सुन लो,
ज़माना कहे सुन लो,
ये पापा मस्ताना,
मस्ताना,
pa 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 pa, pa 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 pa, pa 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 pa, pa 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 pa, है सारा जमाना. You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
Hi, this is Shankar.
Hi, this is Ehsan.
Hi, this is Lloyd. And you're listening to Radio D Hotties.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
नमस्कार.
Namaste.
नमस्कारा.
Vanakkam.
खुशामदीद.
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
మీకందరికీ వందనము.
जय स्वामी नारायण.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जिनेंद्र.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली मदद.
मोराली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजिए बंधुओं को बोलेंगे नी संपला बटजन. हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं से फालतू बाबा.
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time that's going to make your evening totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंधुजान.
That's right, बटजन. Of course, हम लोग आपको बोल दें कि आज का टॉपिक जो है, please, nothing personal, everything professional.
Oh wow.
Right, so we're taking it very professionally.
Yeah.
We're talking and calling out people who actually have been wrecking balls.
Uh-huh.
Because एक तरफ से फिल्मों में they propagate some kind of morals,
Yeah.
but when निजी life में तो they don't follow it, यार.
Huh.
Where's integrity in that, right?
That's
That's
true.
what I feel sometimes, you know, people, they should actually make more movies that are about transgression.
Right.
Like, you know, seriously, because they are transgressing from their relationships, right? These people who are like so-called heroes and everything, we actually have the culture which actually idolizes people, right? We idolize the heroes. Oh, Arey Raj Kapoor Saab, right? But the thing is, oh, in real life you look at him, he's like Raj Kapoor.
Yeah.
That kind of stuff, right?
हाँ.
ऐसे तो एक ही नहीं बाकी सारे लोग oh Hema Malini, goddess, Sita Gita, Sita Maiya, that kind of stuff, right?
Right.
But in real life, what are you talking about? A total wrecking ball.
True.
Right, now the point I'm making here, Baljan, is actually know what boundaries are
Huh.
and try to do things which don't hurt people.
Huh.
I'm not here to say, oh, what they do is right or wrong. I'm not saying that at all.
Huh.
All I'm trying to say is where's the integrity, right?
huh.
On screen तो आप बताते हो बड़े-बड़े ये दिखते हो about love, about this and all the stuff, right?
Huh.
But when it comes back into real life, it's totally different. It goes out the window, right? All the philosophies go out the window.
Right. Right.
I say both such situations we can talk about, and of course, yes, I told you, I will take the blame. We are very bad. We are horrible individuals because we pick on the lowest hanging fruit, which are the stars. I'm sorry, you chose to be in the public realm, so there you go. There's something which you got to live with it. Unfortunately.
Well, you know what, Alta Baba, one
Yeah.
thing for sure,
Uh-huh.
हम लोग आज we're making light of things that people did, but you know, imagine the turmoil that people go through.
Correct.
When they are in a relationship, when you're heavily vested in a relationship, many people will say marriage is a construct, right? Societal construct. हमारा man-made construct है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. दिल पे कोई जोर नहीं है. My whatever.
What is your? I don't know what is why. Father, please on radio, got you more
No,
specific.
no, never
Wait,
mind.
Father, you said something, Father.
I said my left foot.
Huh?
That's all. I just said my left foot.
Baya what?
Pair.
Pair.
Joby, whatever. Okay, but I'm going to tell you this. अगर man-made construct है, अगर आपने commitment की है, तो उसका follow through करना पड़ता है.
Arey,
right?
not necessary. I'm not saying that at all, Fatwani. They don't have to. You don't have to do anything, right? But at least have integrity, no? What you're trying to say one side, they say the same thing other side. There should be some kind of balance somewhere. If you're saying like this, be that way, no? Otherwise, don't do movies which actually talk about all the kind of stuff.
Well,
Yeah, the movies actually propagate those things. Remember at that time?
that is an act, right? They're putting a play together.
There you go. That's a lie, right?
What lie?
That's living a lie.
What? तो फिर उस हिसाब से तो कोई entertainment नहीं हो सकता आलतू बाबा. There's nothing called make believe.
Of course, there is radio always.
Yeah.
If you don't have to make believe, we just call all the make believes.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what we're doing right now here.
Well, here's what I would suggest. I would say that you know
Bol.
it is unfortunate that some of these people went through whatever they went through, but at the
Yeah.
same time, you know, we praise and we say, oh wow, is it so easy for us to divorce their you know, their personal characteristics from their on-screen persona?
Yeah, it's very
You
difficult.
know, it's like, oh, because Rekha is so hot. Even today, she's the hottest actress on earth. Like, whatever, right? Like, oh, she's so beautiful. But look at the string of relationships that, you know, whether she was unlucky in love, you could say that, but she probably picked the wrong men, people who were taken, or whatever happened, right? So somebody talked about Rekha was not only linked up with Amitabh Bachchan. Before that, there were a few people, not one.
Uh-huh.
There were a few
Mithun
actors.
Chakrabarti also.
Mithun Chakrabarti, Vinod Mehra,
Vinod
everybody.
Mehra, yeah.
So many different people who were linked up with her. And then, of course, not just linked up, where she wanted to marry them. She was, in fact, supposedly before Amitabh, right, Altu Baba, she was very, very, very deeply hurt by the fact that she was thrown out of the house by Vinod Mehra's mom.
Oh my goodness.
And
that's
said
bad.
that she cannot, she was almost on the, she was like literally married to him, supposedly.
Okay.
That's what they say. I don't know. It's all hearsay, but this is all you read about.
Hey,
gossip.
here's the thing. The wrecking ball does not take form of a wrecking ball without something hitting it with heat.
Correct.
Right? Without heat, you can't make a wrecking ball, Bandhujan.
Yeah.
They go through their own stuff is what. No, we're not trying to sympathize with them. Just trying to tell you every action has some kind of explanation to it.
Yeah.
But the point I'm making is wreckers are people who actually go ahead. They don't care about anything else. They'll make it seem very selfish.
Yeah.
But sometimes that's the only option they have.
Right. So this one that we're going to play, Bandhujan, few of you only might know about this particular person. You know, everybody like says, oh, this person is like an intellectual and involved in so many great causes and blah, 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 blah. But at the end of the day, this person apparently broke a very happy marriage.
Yeah.
Is what people say.
Correct.
Well, how happy could it be if the man was willing to cheat on his wife? So.
Oh wow, Father, you look at this other perspective also. I'm very impressed. Father, nowadays,
what kind of spineless man cheats on his wife?
What? You know,
I'm sorry. That's I just, you know, if you've made a commitment,
you don't require to have a spine to cheat on somebody.
Huh?
Yeah. The spine doesn't come in. If they have spine or no spine, they
He doesn't have a spine. That's why he cheats, right?
So what? Fine. So my point is okay. Fine, Fatrani. The point I'm making here is again.
Sorry, I will give it to people the way it's supposed to be given.
Well, whether you give it, it's up to them to take it. Nah.
Yeah.
What if they don't take it?
They're not
most
taking
of them. Most of them just go like this, Fatrani. They go like this.
Yeah, Kalivali.
They go like dust it off and they move on.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
one way of living also, by the way. But the point we're talking about is wrecking, the act of wrecking somebody's life.
Yeah.
As in knowing very well, If you're not known about, different issue.
Huh.
Right?
Correct.
If you're not known about it, different issue. But with knowing very well about the fact that there's somebody else in their life,
Yeah.
you're again going ahead and wrecking it.
Right. Exactly.
That's what we're talking about. Now, next, the song एक play करेंगे. आपको बोलना पड़ेगा इसमें कौन है जो actually real life में
Actually, movie के situation में, she's
at the receiving end.
she's at the receiving end, meaning she's happily married to somebody with 3 children, I think, or whatever, right?
Two
She's
children.
2 children, and then she realizes that she has to take care of a child. She becomes stepmother to a child who is an illegitimate child, which is the child that's born out of an affair that her husband would have had.
After marriage.
After marriage. And ironically, we will talk about that shortly. The person who, in this case, in real life, ended up being the other woman, so to speak. So, ये कौन है आपको कॉल करके बताना है 408-912-2479.
कहाँ होता है ये भी तो पता नहीं चलता, तन्हाई क्या है, फिर
तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं। तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं, हो परेशान हूँ मैं। तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं। जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, दर्द संभालने होंगे। जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, दर्द संभालने होंगे। मुस्कुराए तो मुस्कुराने के कर्ज उतारने होंगे। मुस्कुराऊं कभी तो लगता है जैसे होठों पे कर्ज रखा है। तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूँ मैं, ओ हैरान हूँ मैं। आज अगर घर आई है, बूंदें बरस जाएंगी। आज अगर घर आई है, बूंदें बरस जाएंगी। कल क्या पता इनके लिए आँखें तरस जाएंगी। जाने कब गुम हुआ, कहाँ खोया, एक आंसू छुपा के रखा था। तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूँ मैं, ओ हैरान हूँ मैं। तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं, हो परेशान हूँ मैं, परेशान हूँ मैं।
Very nice song, and yes, oh, very good. We're getting people on saying that already. Okay, so let's see. First of all, I have Facebook page. We have Aditi ji saying something. She's saying that funny that Shabana was the real victim with both Vasu and Arth. So play the.
That's true. Pick up the phone and call us, yeah. Aditi, what is
No,
this?
honestly, we can't put this all on her shoulder. Yeah, we can't. No, I agree with you. We can't put the whole thing on her.
Yeah.
We agree with you. But again, we also have Mel just saying that now. And Mel is right. So I think people should start calling in. Calling in over here. Number is written right there. 408-912-2479. Call in and share your thoughts on the side now. 408-912-2479. Dekho, we actually got the answer. I kind of gave out also, right?
No. We want to know who is this person. Call in 408-912-2479.
Well, people generally
question
are shy
is,
to talk about this.
Which marriage are we talking about?
They actually mentioned that.
On the Facebook post.
Mm-hmm.
Aditi. Aditi.
Uh-huh.
Call ya.
Uh-huh.
Vishal Arora. Oh, have you noticed how it's eerily silent from a couple of people who are our regular bandhus who call on this show?
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
Because they don't like this topic, I think.
See, I tell you what, the wrecking concept, right? I think, Badhuja, let me tell you one thing. We as a community have labeled a lot of things as taboo.
Why, man?
I don't know. I think it's difficult for people to talk about some of these things. And that's why actually it happens more often, I suppose.
What?
So we have established them as taboo, so we should know, not even talk about that. But it happens in the back end, right? One trying to say that. So if at least we talk about it, right, we actually are engaging in conversation about it, right?
Right.
And that way we actually sending a message to people also to make sure that one should live with integrity in life.
Yeah.
With some amount of sincerity as opposed to seriousness.
That's true.
Sincerity is important, right?
True.
And that means that, we should be comfortable to communicate about all these things. Now, transgressions, we're talking about all these things. No, come on, it happens.
Exactly.
In real life, they show it happens. Now, most of the movies actually, I'll tell you one more thing about our community, Faltwani. And we are part of it, so we're going to call ourselves out also on this.
Yeah.
Movies that actually talk about transgressions don't do very well in theatres.
Transgressions? No, of course they do.
No, not necessarily.
When there's love affairs?
Yeah, they don't.
Extramarital affairs?
Not many movies. They always have frowned upon. They don't actually have much of a viewership of those kind of movies.
No.
For some reason, I don't know why. Take it out. They don't make a big impact in the box office. But
well, that way any emotional movie doesn't make a big impact at the box office.
Correct. But it does happen in real life.
Yeah.
To shocking levels.
Yeah.
Did you know that the divorce rates in India are the high rate right now?
Yeah, at an all-time high.
All-time high.
Yeah.
And don't blame COVID for it. COVID to hai, shelter in place. Yeah, you actually get to see them every day. That's what happens. You can't go the excuse of going to the office and try to, anyway, I don't want to talk about all those things right now. But the point I'm making here is, let's talk about it. Why are you so shy to call up and talk about it, Badhujan? We asked about this particular wrecker. This wrecking ball. And all you need to do is pick up the phone and talk about it. We're not blaming them, we're not judging them. They already done it. Right? We just trying to call them out. That's all. Nothing else, right?
Right.
Let's go to on the waiting line.
Pam Pam, Konaji.
Hello, hi.
Pam Pam, Aditi.
Aditi, how are we doing? Finally we got the call. Aditi, come on,
No, I
tell us.
always want to, but this is usually a tough time, and I'm always listening to the show.
Oh, thank you. So sweet of you to say that. So tell us, Aditi, let's talk about the fact that you posted something on Facebook. We asked you who the particular actor or actress is. Who's that?
It's Shabana and Javed.
Shabana
He's not an actor. But
Okay, so yeah, he's not an actor, but he definitely is given a lot of lyrics to us.
Yeah.
Dialogues and everything.
Yeah.
So ये बताओ कि आपने बोला, I think I want to read your comment. You said like in real life, REEL, you
Yeah.
said that she played the role of a victim, but in real life it was something different. And you also said that honestly we can't put the blame on her
Entirely. Why?
Entirely. Why? Can you share why?
मैं नाक दोनों तरफ से थी.
आगे बात करनी है.
अच्छा.
1948 का.
Yeah, लेकिन Honey Irani say he was supposedly happily married to her.
Hey, we don't know. He had few kids.
Yeah, of course. So
That's it.
I mean,
Wait, supposedly happily married.
yeah. Supposedly, yeah.
What does that mean? Huh.
That's
You can be happy, and you can still fall in love with someone else, and some people decide to move forward, and some people don't, right?
Yeah. Some people get okay. So here's what happens. I think.
Uh-huh.
Okay, here's what has happened in Hindi film industry. When the wife threatened to leave with the kids, they stuck around with the wife, and they either went behind and got married in a Islamic fashion, or they basically created the Chinna video, or what do you call that, other house.
Oh my God.
Yeah, they created that.
Do you think it was an economical motivation?
Yeah.
Alimony pay करना पड़ेगा, बेहतर है कि घर पे ही बैठे.
But did we have alimony thing in India at that time? Did we
Alimony?
have the concept of alimony in India?
Well, in India at that time, both the spouse, there was no concept of, I think, irreconcilable differences. There was a concept where they have to, the spouse has to agree to divorce you. In Dharmender's case, Prakash Kaur refused.
Smart.
Yeah, so there was no choice. And I think Hema Malini was pregnant with something, I don't know, something happened. She had to get
That
married.
was Sridevi, right?
No, man, it was Hema Malini also. They all trendsetters, they are.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Anyway,
so-
it's going to be interesting. Today, Record Wednesday is going to be interesting. I'm
Yeah.
getting a lot of all the heroines.
Yeah, all the gorgeous looking women. It's sad, isn't it? Sometimes you feel like, what? Seriously? Whatever. You had to like go and mess your life, not mess your life up, but either way, mess up somebody's life to find your true love.
Hey, Mandini, thank you so much for chiming in on this. How do you like the topic today? Come on, tell us. Honestly. Is it a taboo
I
topic?
think
to talk about?
very amazing topic it is.
I know, right? Amazing topic. You can talk point because
बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. किसी और की expense बहुत मजा आ
Exactly.
रहा है.
Yeah.
देखो यार, हमने डिसाइड कर लिया हमारा मेंटल शो एनीवे है यार, जजमेंटल बन जाता है.
Hey, come on. We're not trying to make past judgments on them. He's calling out the action. That's it.
We had a choice. We
Yeah.
could go sentimental with Woe Begone Wednesday.
Yeah. But I said no. Let's go judgmental.
We'll
with this.
become judgmental with this Record Wednesday. So we said, okay, let's go with
Hey,
this.
कभी का मजा आता है यार. And you know, when you actually have the conversation with your spouses, you know, you give those ताने, right?
Yeah.
हाँ, आज पापा ने ये सुना. You know all those things.
Yeah, yeah.
Torture का सुना.
हाँ हाँ बन जाओ तुम भी अजय देवगन.
Ajit देखो. But good, Aditi, thank you so much for calling in today. And yeah, ऐसे करते रहो यार. It feels nice to talk to people when they call us.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Thank you so much for chiming in.
And of course, I have people actually talking. Oh, wow, Mel is giving such a wonderful thing. You are happy until you meet someone who's better, and fall in
What?
love once again.
No, that cannot happen. That cannot happen.
Hey, no, he's right. So basically, it's like the hedonic treadmill, right? When you don't have contentment in life, when you chase the wrong happiness, now what? Now what comes in?
What do you mean by that?
He said you are happy. They
Huh.
think they're happy by having possessions. Possessing somebody who is very beautiful or whatever it is.
Okay.
And then finally you find somebody who's better than the other person and I'm in love with them. Otherwise, greed. I like what he's talking about. I think he's got a good point there.
Whatever. I have not seen his comments, so I will reserve my comment.
I just posted on Facebook, Banujan, go check it out.
Yeah.
And Abhi, I got...
I want to give a shout out to our Bandhu Shaukat Lalani Saab. Thank you so much for the kind words.
What are you saying?
He says, this is so sweet. He says, such an excellent program, soulful and spiritually uplifting. Hats off to you guys. Keep it up. Love it.
Thank you, Shaukat Saab.
Thank you. Absolutely. I think it's spiritually uplifting too. Yeah, obviously. Feel like,
First and foremost, do you know what spirituality is?
yeah,
What is it?
it is spiritual.
No, you can't explain what spirituality is.
It is
Fine.
what is inside is outside.
What is it you? What is you is me. What is me is you.
What is me and you is we.
Oh my God! And everybody's saying thank you. And right now, let me tell you, we got the next particular person,
हाँ.
next individual we're going to talk about.
Yeah.
अभी तो हमने दो फीमेल्स ही की हमने बात,
हाँ.
right?
हाँ.
एक और फीमेल की बात करते चलो.
फीमेल के बारे में?
हाँ.
नहीं.
अच्छा मेल ही कर, doesn't matter.
नहीं तू बता.
I don't mind.
अभी who did we talk about just now? We talked
Shabana Azmi.
Shabana Azmi.
उससे
right?
पहले we talked
And
about.
we talked about Javed Akhtar Saab, what happened there.
Correct, and
Okay.
Javed Akhtar Saab also equally thing because he was the one who had gasoline all over him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
आग लग गई.
And she was chingari.
Yeah. Okay.
And book it went out.
Okay.
But again, see, thing is, what happens is
हाँ, go ahead.
the next generation
हाँ.
suddenly has a different view about life.
Excuse me? मतलब?
Javed Akhtar Saab ka next generation also something similar happened. Yes. We'll
yeah.
talk about that later, Barajan. But
Yeah.
the point is, not everybody is
Yeah.
analytical about all these things. But anyway, it's good to talk about it anyway.
Yeah. Actually, even he got divorced, right?
Yeah, but then you don't know. Then how can you give any advice to anybody that time?
What do you mean?
How can you tell? See, if at all you yourself are walking the path of something,
Uh-huh.
you can't ask somebody else to not walk that path.
Exactly. No, the reason in his case it was Well, I guess they say that Bollywood's leading men always have a way with the ladies, so to speak, and that what do you call that? The chaska of power and you know that yeah, the magnetism of their charisma kind of like
oh my god, big words. Magnetism of the charisma
attracts women to them because people are willing
you
to
should
throw
get
them.
an Oscar award for euphemisms. Absolutely nothing. Magnetism of charisma. No, charisma magnetism is one and the same.
It's the same. So the magnetism, of course, it is the no man. The charisma is something that you have anyway, right?
Yeah, and magnetism is something you get
magnetism
afterwards.
I'm talking about is
The other way.
the attraction that women feel.
Chumbak attraction.
Chumbak.
Charisma is the one which attracts people, Patradi.
Charisma is.
You are engaging in something called euphemism. You're used to those kind of things. You like to do baat ka patangan, we know
No,
that.
I don't want.
Yes, and I'm the person who makes Raika Pahad, so I should know all these things. So, Faltani,
हाँ.
अगला star के पास जाएगी ना. Let's talk
अच्छा.
more about these kind of people.
तो अभी ये जो मैं प्ले करने वाली हूँ, she has been accused of being a homewrecker.
Oh my goodness, but not a successful one. So
Not a successful one.
Here's what I'm thinking. यहाँ पे defect था wrecking ball में ही.
हाँ.
Yeah, probably it was not something to do with intentionally doing it.
Yeah.
It might have been unintentional.
Right.
Might have been led on. But that person got the brunt of
Yeah.
or the hatred of everybody in the world.
Yeah, hatred of because this person took on actors who are pretty well connected in Bollywood. Who is this person that we are talking about?
Correct.
आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479 and who is the actor or actors?
Yeah,
that
this person from wrecking ball became a tennis ball.
Yeah,
Bounced from here to there, here to there.
actually football I would say, kicked
Well,
around.
That's true.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I don't want to use that kind of
Well,
rough words. Volleyball, fine.
what tossed around?
Tossed around.
Okay, so सुनिएगा और कॉल करिएगा 408-912-2479.
Who is this? कौन है ये? अभिनेता या अभिनेत्री? डायरेक्टर या निर्देशक? प्रोड्यूसर और फिल्म मेकर? कौन है बताइए on 408-912-2479. जो actually
तुम जो आए जिंदगी में बात बन गई इश्क मजहब इश्क मेरी जात बन गई
आज का शो सुन के सब लोग बोलते तुम जाए जिंदगी में तो वाट लग गई.
तुम जो आए जिंदगी में बात बन गई सपने तेरी चाहतों के सपने तेरी चाहतों के देखती हूँ अब गई दिन है सोना और चांदी रात बन गई हो तुम जो आए जिंदगी में बात बन गई
एंड आपको बोलना पड़ेगा इसमें कौन है यार जो एक्चुअली एक लेबल लग गया उनके ऊपर थप्पा called they are the wrecking ball, but actually sometimes we kind of sympathize also and we feel probably they got a raw deal in almost all the equations. Call कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. Not sympathizing with them, empathizing I suppose.
हौसलों में कहीं सबसे ऊपर
चांदी रात बन गई हो तुम जो आए जिंदगी में बात बन गई
अरे जान, ये जो अभी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना,
हाँ.
never been successful breaking any kind of a house.
Really?
Probably doesn't want to.
Yeah, probably doesn't want to.
I think that person has got something called upper chamber. Little bit upper chamber they have. Might be having a little bit more.
Yeah.
I said, might be like thinking like too much.
He's got an upper chamber also, and she's got a mouth that runs also. I'm not kidding you, but then she's somebody who will call a spade a spade.
Hey, probably.
And
I'll tell you.
I think.
I'll tell you. People get bitter, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel it's because of the fact that they've been through what they've been through.
Yeah.
Probably they've been through stuff.
Yeah.
And I don't think she's like bitter, but she doesn't take anymore,
Yeah.
I think doesn't take anything from, doesn't take all the regular stuff from people. She
Right.
calls them out. And generally I think that's a good quality to have is what I say.
Huh.
I don't know what you think.
I think so. I think it's a really good quality to have, Banjan. And the reason we played you this particular song is because there is a very significant connection in this song.
Yeah.
And we're asking you, who is this actor?
Yeah.
And remember, when I say actor, I'm not saying actor, actress, actor, that actor. I'm saying an actor.
Actor.
In Bollywood,
Yeah.
who supposedly is a home wrecker, or attempted to wreck a home, or is supposedly rumored to have had affairs, like roaring affairs
Yeah.
with her co-stars.
Yeah.
To the extent that one almost had a Nargis and Raj Kapoor wala situation happen.
Now
No,
only-
Vaijayanti wala Raj Kapoor's type situation.
Now only
happened.
Faltoni will know about these things because she's the person who's actually compiled our blog for Tinseltown Trash Talk.
Which never got published.
Yeah,
Because
you
it
never,
is- it
you
is
never,
too
you never
risque.
stopped. No, you never could stop reading and writing.
Yeah, that's
There was
true.
so much she consumed.
When I was writing, Badushan, what happened was
Yeah,
my
right.
claws grew too long.
Your claws did grow too long. It was just that you got so much of content you could not stop someplace.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did go here because see, actually it's such a successful environment over there. Everybody's is better than everybody over there in the Bay Area. Not in the Bay Area, I think in the middle in the.
Well, in the Bay
Bollywood.
Area too, boss. There's a lot of these things that happen in the Bay Area also. It happens all over the world.
Yeah, so why don't we talk about it?
Why don't we talk about it?
Yeah, why people are ashamed to talk about it. Today, Recker Wednesdays, and welcome. I think Manasa, welcome to the show.
Yeah.
He just joined in. Vishal ji, आपके hearts, laughs सब आ रहे हैं, लेकिन आपके calls नहीं आ रहे.
Calls नहीं आ रहे, call
क्या
करो.
आप शर्मिंदा है क्या आप यहाँ से show से बात करने के लिए?
Exactly. क्या
Come on, Recker Wednesday gets. See, our shows are making people definitely. You should actually talk about these things.
Yes.
इसके बारे में बात करेंगे, ताकि not because we're trying to normalize it, because we're trying to understand it.
हाँ.
Right? अगर हमने खाने को ऐसे ही निगल गए ना, बदहजमी होगी. खाना खा के उसको थोड़ा चबा वबा के बाद में अंदर उसको निगलेंगे तो it will be like better for us to digest. So at the first level digestion is very important.
So let's masticate on it.
Very true. आपको इसके बारे में कुछ आना नहीं चाहिए. Hello, excuse me, you don't need to know. Oh.
What?
अब मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं बोलते हैं.
किसके बारे में? अरे क्या किसके बारे में? हम लोग के हीरोइन कौन है पूछ रहे हैं?
Heroes. जिसके हीरोइन के बारे में बात कीजिएगा. And of course, our Urmilda is giving us a lot of answers on Facebook.
Urmilda, not happening. Urmilda is telling bandus to call also
Yeah.
on Facebook. Good for you. Thank you very much.
So he was telling us actually, one call per day keeps doctor away. I said, what is the doctor's hot?
Shameless fellow.
What?
At this time, all doctors are hot because they are amazing people who are in the front lines. On the front lines.
Yes.
Treating
And
everything.
secondly, you can't recognize who's who because they're wearing masks.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, actually. Yeah, that's very true. That's kind of scary also. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, आपको कॉल करके बताना है बंजार on 408-912-2479 ये कौन एक्टर है. चलो ठीक है, एक और गाना लगाते हैं उस एक्टर का.
Ah, very good, Faltani. Let's play another song of the actor.
ये गाना मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है लेकिन मैं लगाएगी.
लगाएगी क्या लगाएगी तू?
गाना लगाना है.
लगा दे.
Okay. Yuck. I don't like the song.
So what? It is for the betterment of all humanity.
ठीक है बच्चा, कान लगा के ध्यान से सुनिएगा ये गाना.
Uh-huh.
अरे बाप रे, serious, no wonder it was like,
What?
I didn't know that they had like a full on whatever. Anyway, it was like,
Don't believe what was on screen. Okay?
yeah.
My God. हेलो नमस्कार, पैम पैम आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who's this?
Pam Pam.
हाँ, खेड़ा साहब will talk about openly.
Yeah.
खेड़ा साहब very दिलदार that way. He's very
चलो
शेर
खेड़ा
दिल.
साहब लेते
शेर
हैं
दिल है.
केस.
हमारे शेर दिल खेड़ा साहब आगे हैं.
हाँ, कैसे हैं?
हाँ जी, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ जी. आपसे बात होगी तो बहुत अच्छा हो गया.
Very good.
अरे वाह, wonderful, thank you.
इसके बारे में अच्छा बोल दो. मेरे बारे में मत बोलो, उसके बारे में बोलो. अरे,
आपसे बोला उन्होंने.
जब मैं आप लोग बोलता हूँ, that means you as a package की बात
Thank
कर
you,
रहे
sir.
हैं.
excuse
Thank
me, I tried to give respect to me. हाँ?
हाँ? आप लोग, तुम
नहीं,
दो
आप-
लोग हो
आप
क्या?
तो आलतू बाबा, आप तो वेंटिलेटर हो हमारे.
हाँ?
वेंटिलेटर का मतलब क्या है?
वेंटिलेटर का मतलब कि आप जान बचा रहे हो.
हाँ, thank you. हाँ,
अच्छा.
काम आता हूँ, बहुत काम आता हूँ.
ये मत सोचना कि स्केर्सिटी है उसकी.
नहीं, स्कैसी ने बहुत पढ़ा सर, हमारे यहाँ पे यूज नहीं कर रहे हो लोग. एक्चुअली ऐसे हुआ कर दिया उन्होंने कोविड-19 के सब हिसाब से.
यहाँ पे
नहीं,
तो
आप-
Order
आप
place कर
जान
दिया
बचाते हो और सिटी में स्केर है. स्केर सिटी नहीं है.
हाँ, सिटी में
हाँ,
अरे क्या
वाह,
पकड़ा आपने
क्या
सर.
पकड़ा,
वेरी ट्रू,
beautiful.
आई एग्री विद यू बिकॉज़ वी फाउंड आउट देयर वर लॉट ऑफ एंड देयर स्टिल आर एम्प्टी बेड्स इन ऑल द हॉस्पिटल्स.
अरे एक
नो
इलॉन-
शॉर्टेज ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ इक्विपमेंट्स.
आलतू बाबा,
हाँ, बोल.
एक इलॉन मस्क ने क्या ट्वीट कर दिया, तू उसका पकड़ के बैठा है.
नहीं, इलॉन मस्क के बारे में जब इलॉन मस्क ने ट्वीट किया, मैं जाकर रिसर्च किया ना.
अच्छा.
एंड देयर हैव बीन आर्टिकल्स व्हिच हैव बीन सबड्यूड बाय द मीडिया.
Oh my God.
या, talking about these things.
Wait, did you read the other articles too, which talked about how this whole? अच्छा, by the way, sorry Banujam, we're digressing from the
जब
topic.
भी खेड़ा साहब आते डाइग्रेस कर देते
हाँ,
हैं.
लेकिन खेड़ा साहब, क्या आपको मालूम है? The reason that scare in the city today, it's because it is money making tactics
हाँ,
for all these.
1% people.
Yeah, for all the
1% pharma people, hospital owners. बोल.
Not just that, it's like a huge side business, like all these masks and protective PPE equipment and all that stuff.
Who's making them?
Yeah, the money is going there.
Yes, I
It
agree
is.
with you.
It is.
हम जैसे
tot-
गरीब लोग घर पे बना के सब लोगों को बांट रहे हैं मास्क.
हाँ, हम जैसे गरीब लोग,
मतलब
हमारे बंधु लोग.
बंधु लोग.
हाँ, तो अच्छा.
फाइन,
anyway,
अभी मुद्दे पे आते हैं. क्या खेड़ा साहब, जब भी आप कहोगे तो कुछ डाइग्रेस करते
digress कर देते हो. हाँ, टॉपिक
ये
चेंज
आपका टैलेंट है. हाँ,
हाँ.
नहीं, मेरा टैलेंट नहीं है ये. आप लोगों का प्यार है.
नहीं, अच्छा आपको मालूम है इसके बारे में. ठीक है. अच्छा, पहले टॉपिक पे आओ. टॉपिक पे वी प्लेड अ सॉन्ग, वी एक्चुअली टॉक्ड अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर एक्टर.
हाँ.
कौन है ये एक्टर?
मैंने गाना सुना ही नहीं. मैं तो जब मैंने ऑन किया तो जब मैं रेंज में आया, ऑन हुआ तो आपने बोला कि कोई विशाल जी को आपने बोला कॉल करो. तो मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, मैं कर लेता हूँ.
हाँ,
तो जिसमें एक जान है हम
तो विशाल जी ने एक्चुअली एक बहुत अच्छा कमेंट मारा है. हमारी प्रॉक्सी आ गई.
हमारी प्रॉक्सी आ गई.
हाँ, उन्हें लिख रहे
विशाल जी की प्रॉक्सी नहीं लग सकती.
अरे आप
मेरी प्रॉक्सी लग जाएगी, विशाल जी की नहीं. मेरी लग जाएगी, थर्ड पार्टी की लग जाएगी, विशाल जी की नहीं.
नहीं, लेकिन विशाल जी बोल रहे हैं हमारे प्रॉक्सी आ गए.
अच्छा.
तो मैं यार,
अच्छा,
मैं नहीं बोल रहा
proxy
हूँ.
आ गए,
उनका मतलब ये आप उनके प्रॉक्सी हो बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है.
हाँ,
तो
वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग वी प्लेड, राइट?
यस, ये गाना लगाया था एंड हमने पूछा था आज आपको मालूम है ना थीम क्या है? रेकर वेडनेसडे, जहाँ पे शादी को तोड़ देने वाली बात.
तोड़ देने वाली बात.
हाँ. जो कुछ एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस हैं बॉलीवुड में जिन्होंने ऑलमोस्ट या जिन्होंने पक्का शादी तोड़ दिया किसी.
हाँ.
कुछ लोगों का
एक प्यारा घर बनाने के चक्कर में एक घर को बसा घर को बिगाड़ दिया.
हाँ.
ऐसे टॉपिक है.
बहुत सीरियस टॉपिक है ना खेड़ा साहब?
खेड़ा साहब सोचिए मैंने क्यों कॉल
सुनाइए
किया? खेड़ा साहब एक मिनट होल्ड कीजिएगा अभी. बैठा बंधु एक्चुअली टॉक लिटिल मोर अबाउट दिस. ओके, नमस्कार, आपका हर स्वागत है पैम पैम में. हु इज दिस? हेलो, हाय, यू आर ऑन एयर. कौन है भाई?
विशाल जी होंगे.
नहीं.
हेलो पैम पैम.
पैम खेड़ा साहब आप हैं?
मैं तो हूँ आपके साथ.
हाँ, ये दूसरा कॉलर रुकते डरते क्यों हैं? छोड़ो, उनको लगा.
मैं तो देखो जी, विद यू, फॉर यू ऑलवेज.
हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच सर.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू. हाँ, तो बताइए खेड़ा साहब.
ये दिल्ली पुलिस का स्लोगन है.
अच्छा, तो आप हमारे दिल्ली पुलिस हो. चलो.
मेरे डैड हैं.
हाँ,
मेरे
really?
डैड हैं.
अरे वाह, मैंने दिल्ली पर के साथ मार्च किया सर राजपथ पे.
अच्छा.
वंडरफुल रेजिमेंट. ओके, एक मिनट कीजिएगा, एक और बंधु आ रहे हैं. मैं ख्याल से टेक देम आल्सो एंड सी व्हाट दे हैव टू से. नमस्कार पैम पैम, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. हुज दिस?
दिस इज मधु जी.
हाँ मधु जी नमस्ते. खेड़ा साहब को नमस्ते बोल लीजिएगा.
हाँ ये हेलो, ये जो आपने गाना लगाया है ना, ये ऋतिक रोशन है और कंगना रावत कृष्ण.
हाँ कंगना रनौत.
मेरा फेवरेट सॉन्ग है ये, कहाँ आता दिल छिपा तू.
हाँ.
समथिंग लाइक दैट.
हाँ, लेकिन
वेरी गुड सॉन्ग.
इन दोनों में से कौन है रैकिंग बॉल?
कंगना रावत.
क्यों ऐसे बोलते हो?
यस ही डिड इट.
ऐसे क्यों बोलते हो? ये ऋतिक रोशन ने उत्साह है उसको.
ठीक बोल रहा है.
हाँ
बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रहा है.
ओके फाइन, आप बोल रहे तो मान आई विल अग्री व्हाट एवर यू आर सेइंग.
Yeah, that is right.
ओके फाइन.
She ditched ऋतिक रोशन.
ओके फाइन, ठीक है. ऋतिक रोशन का घर बर्बाद कर दिया उन्होंने. यस
अच्छा.
ठीक है मधु जी, आपका राय हमें ले लिया है. उसका पहाड़ बाद में बनाएंगे हम लोग. थैंक यू मधु जी. थैंक यू. सुनते रहिएगा मधु जी. ओके डोंट ओके थैंक यू सो मच.
तो खेड़ा साहब, हमने हमें मधु जी ने कहा कंगना रनौत थी ऋतिक रोशन के साथ. उन्होंने एक और मैरिज को ऑलमोस्ट ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट पे लेकर आ गई थी वो.
आगे थी. वाह.
हाँ. I started somewhere and ended somewhere else.
बोलो खेड़ा साहब,
तो
सोचो.
वो कौन सी मैरिज थी?
और
एक और मैरिज.
आदित्य पंचोली.
वो था, लेकिन she claims that Aditya Pancholi sexually exploited
I
her.
will believe her.
I will believe her as
Aditya
opposed to...
Pancholi looks to be a crook.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I never liked him in movies also. His casting was very nice actually.
Yeah, he was supposed to be, she said, right, #me too with him. It
Wasn't
happened
he already married?
या फिर अभिषेक बच्चन.
Abhishek Bachchan, I don't think anything happened.
Not Abhishek Bachchan, but I'm gonna play you a song which will be a clue, okay? आपके फोन पे ही सुनिएगा. Here you go.
हाँ बोलो, क्या बोला आपने? ये फिल्म था Once Upon a Time
in
Mumbai. अभी कुछ याद आ रहा है?
Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, अजय देवगन का था.
हाँ अजय देवगन. यस.
ये गाना
यस. यहाँ तक कि इतना लेवल पे आ गया था कि काजोल जी actually picked up the kids and she left home.
Yeah, she left home. People said that marriage is over, but they claimed in 2 weeks he brought her back.
Yeah.
And they claimed they covered the story up, saying that she had to get some cleaning done in the house. That's why she had to leave the house.
वास्तु ठीक नहीं था उसका.
But then there was also talk that if there was cleaning, then how did Ajay Devgan stay in the house?
He was not cleaning it.
No, but how was the story covered when you know it?
It was covered very well actually.
It was covered very well, sir. In fact, Ajay Devgan is famous for his way with the ladies. Supposedly, he even it's right from the beginning, right? It was self-admitted, right? Ravina Tandon के साथ उसका affair था.
Yeah.
फिर दोनों का breakup हो गया, तो it was a very bad breakup.
Profession में stuntman थे ना, तो he always used to driving around with 2 motorbikes. So.
Yeah.
ये frontliner था, हैं?
हाँ, always he was stuntman ना, तो he used to always ride with 2
वो
motorbikes.
आपने देखा वो 2 motorbike
फुला
पे?
कांटे में.
हाँ.
गोलमाल में 2 कार पे आए, फुला कांटे में 2 बाइक पे आए.
हाँ.
तो उनको always 2 चाहिए. एक स्टेपनी तो डेफिनेटली चाहिए उनको.
हे भगवान.
क्या?
Okay.
I'm just saying they're prepared for the worst.
एक म्यान में 2 तलवारें.
हाँ होता है. कभी-कभार 2 म्यान होते हैं उनके पास.
बिल्कुल. उनका काफी बड़ा अफेयर चला था. Every single actress that he had an affair with, but in Kajol's case, they both decided and they got married.
तो देखो आपके जो अल्टर ईगो है ना, आपके विशाल जी.
हाँ.
खेड़ा साहब, वो कितने क्या बोलते हैं इसको, वो मासूम है. उनको हो सकता है कि अजय देवगन ना सीधा साधा.
No.
अजय देवगन anything but सीधा साधा.
Anything but look at his eyes, you can make out, yeah.
क्या?
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा और इसके अफेयर के बारे में बताओ. I'm getting inspired.
आप आज पूरा शो सुनो.
उन्होंने करिश्मा कपूर के साथ चक्कर चलाया. वहाँ पे भी बहुत ही गंदा ब्रेकअप हुआ उन दोनों का. फिर काजोल के साथ चलाया, काजोल का हो गया. Then he came out and he said कि ये कंगना रनौत के साथ.
काजोल के साथ भी चलाया.
हाँ, उनको शादी की ना बाद में.
But they both were in relationships, by the way. They were in relationships when they had this affair. And then they broke up. It took a year for them to break up and then they got married.
इतना जानकारी दे रही तू फालतू नहीं. आज सब लोगों को everybody बेजा totally well versed. थैंक यू सो मच खन्ना साहब, आप तो यार आज कुछ सीखोगे आप। ठीक है,
मैं नहीं, ये तो अफेयर था तो मैं सीख गया, पर बचना कैसे है ये बताओ।
बस हमारा शो सुनते रहो, उसके बाद में एंड में हम लोग सीख देंगे ना लास्ट में। ये सब दिखा के बाद में सीख देंगे हम लोग।
हाँ बिल्कुल, हाँ
ठीक
सीख
है?
भी देंगे, कबाब भी देंगे,
Yes.
हड्डी भी देंगे।
यस, तंदूर में डाल के।
हाँ।
थैंक यू सो मच कॉलिंग अस। लेट्स गो ऑन द वेटिंग लाइन।
Yeah.
नमस्कार, आपका हर स्वागत है पैम पैम में। हेलो, हाय पैम पैम।
हाय मधु अगेन।
हाँ मधु जी, क्या हाल था आपको?
आपको ये ना मतलब कंगना रावत का अफेयर था उसके साथ और राजकुमार रॉ के साथ पूरी मूवी में।
हाँ मूवी में था ना, रियल लाइफ में थोड़ा ही था। रियल लाइफ में चलेगा कुछ भी, वो सिंगल है, चलेगा।
हाँ, सिंगल चलेगा।
अरे क्या है ना कि मधु जी, हम सिंगल लोगों के बारे में बात नहीं करते, बिकॉज वो चलेगा, कहीं पे तो टाका भिड़ेगा उनका।
हाँ।
बट ऑलरेडी जिनका टाका भिड़ गया, वो लोग जाके दे एक्चुअली ट्रांसग्रेस इज व्हेन वी कॉलिंग देम आउट।
एग्जैक्टली।
वी नॉट सेइंग दे डूइंग समथिंग बैड। यार दिल के मामला तो कुछ भी कर ले, हमें क्या है।
हाँ।
बट थिंग इज दे शुड बी माइंडफुल ऑफ अदर पीपल्स लाइफ गेटिंग अफेक्टेड। और कुछ
कि उनके भरोसे कुछ जिंदगी और मासूम जान है।
Oh my God.
और फिर उसके बाद ये लोग जाके किसी और के साथ कुछ चक्कर चला के फिर यहाँ पे आके बीवी को रुलाना,
हाय, 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 हाय,
झगड़ा करना,
हाय, हाय, हाय।
बच्चों को बीच में ऐसे घसीटना रिडिकुलस है। तो
Yes,
that's
yes.
what
और 4.85 करोड़ का एलिमनी देना। नहीं 400 करोड़।
400 crores
400 करोड़ का एलिमनी देना।
वो सुजैन खान के साथ हुआ था ना।
ऋतिक रोशन
Today
का।
is a high rating show going on. You getting comments?
थैंक यू सो मच, आपका प्यार है यार, और कुछ नहीं।
Thank you so much, thank you. But you know what, Altu Baba?
यस मधु जी राइट।
Yeah, she's right. Kangna Ranaut is the answer. आपने सही बताया।
हाँ।
तो आल्तू,
यस।
ये जो ऋतिक रोशन का तू बता रहा है, right?
Yeah.
The wrecker there was another person.
Who was it?
It wasn't Kangna Ranaut.
Don't tell me.
It wasn't actually Kangna Ranaut's affair there. It was Barbara Morris.
हाँ, पतंग चढ़ाने वाली।
हाँ. When Barbara Morris was supposedly the final straw, so to speak, for Suzanne Khan, because he also became smitten with her, and then. But people say, that's what they say. But people also say that Suzanne Khan, in the meanwhile, had her own affair with Arjun Kapoor.
हाँ, ऐसे कोई बात नहीं है। Come on, Arjun Kapoor.
I was like, Arjun Kapoor, this guy has his taka bado face with such hot heroine, hot
Arjun
females.
Kapoor is a wrecker.
Yeah, he is.
Arjun Kapoor is a wrecker. वो अपने बॉनी कपूर डैडी के पीछे गया है, मतलब he's gone after daddy.
Yeah.
Because daddy also was a wrecker.
Why? He's gone behind his daddy. What is
मतलब
that?
he's gone on the footsteps of his daddy.
No man, that's not true. I think he's just a good friend and women trust him.
कुछ भी.
He looks like that good friend kind of guy, yaar.
Arjun Kapoor looks can be deceiving.
But there is one more person that he supposedly wrecked the marriage of.
Yeah.
Who is that person? Who is much older than him? But
Salman Khan never forgive him for that.
Yeah, Salman Khan will. Who is this person? आपको कॉल करके बता रहा है मुझे.
408912247. Who was the family which Arjun Kapoor, of all the people, the flop hero?
Hey,
What?
flop hero नहीं बोलने का रे.
इतना प्यार करते उससे?
He's a nice guy रे.
कुछ भी उसका.
He's a nice. Hey, Altu.
हाँ.
When he came on air with us, how nicely he spoke to us. Be quiet, okay? Don't talk.
He came on. Yeah, he was a nice guy. He spoke to you very well.
Yeah, he was very, very friendly and all. Gave us like major akkad and all.
He gave us.
But no, it was just for show. It wasn't
because
like
he was promoting a movie called Tevar.
Tevar,
He had to show
exactly.
off his Tevar, but a very nice guy.
Yeah. But anyway, whose marriage did he break up?
Give us a call here, 408912247. Arjun Kapoor himself was a homewrecker.
But they say, according to her,
Uh-huh.
that the marriage was already failed. She had already moved out, and they were trying to work it out again when this happened.
Arjun Kapoor took her out for dinner.
Yes. If I am Arjun Kapoor, I would do the same.
I don't know what he's talking
What is Mel Bajuji? What? Mel Bajuji, you don't talk, okay? What did you say? You're happy till you find someone better. What? You don't talk, seriously. Yeah. Yeah, I think AD was Sida Sada.
Ajay Devgan was Seda Sada, man.
Oh.
अरे तो अभी पर I've already put those things on there फालतू, but doesn't matter. आगे बढ़ना. Who's the next person we don't talk about? We talked to Arjun Kapoor right now, right?
Yeah.
बनता ना उसका गाना?
लगा?
उसका flop film में से एक super duper गाना बन जन. And unfortunately, this song never happened. Though he is a fan of Salman Khan will never forgive him for this particular wrecking ball effect he did.
Yes.
On his life.
Why will Salman Khan not forgive him?
Yeah.
आपको कॉल करके बताना है पंजान 408-912-2479. Meenakshi ji, really he won't forgive him.
No, he will not.
She's saying that's the best punchline achieved on
It
the
is
show.
Of course it is. बलजान कहा जाता है सलमान खान से पंगा लेने का इफ यू वांट टू लिव इन इंडस्ट्री।
Exactly.
देखो इतना लेवल पे आ गया ना, सलमान का इतना फकीर नहीं करते इनको
Correct.
कि उन्होंने उनका फिल्म में पूरा ये एक गाने का वजूद निकाल दिया।
Exactly. मुन्नी से
बदनाम होने से बच गई,
हाँ
लेकिन मुन्ना बदनाम हो गया।
एग्जैक्टली मुन्नी बदनाम को निकाल ही दिया उन्होंने, अभी मुन्ना बदनाम कर दिया।
मतलब अर्जुन कपूर की इतना गुस्सा क्यों? आखिर क्यों सलमान खान को अर्जुन कपूर को गुस्सा आया? 408-912-2479 ऐसे ही सनसनाती हुई का खबरें आपके लिए मिलेगी यहाँ पे ऑन द पैम पैम शो। नंबर टू कॉल बजान 408-912-2479 आया है पर्दे फाड़ के, लेकिन जाएगा कुर्ता फाड़ के।
टाइम हो गया आल्टू।
क्या बात है फालतू नहीं?
टाइम हो गया।
टाइम हो गया तो बजान लेट्स सी आज का सीख दे के हम जाएंगे, क्या बोलते
हाँ
हैं?
बिल्कुल।
आज का सीख है कबाब। सॉरी ठीक, क्या बोल रहे हैं फालतू तू? मेरे को भूख लग रहा है यार। हाँ आज का सीख बजान सीख पर भूख लग रहा है फालतू। वेल बजान आज का सीख ये है, जो भी करना है करो, प्यार करना खुल्लम खुल्ला करो।
हाँ,
राइट?
हाँ.
पर इतना याद रखो कि जब भी आप प्यार करते हो, क्या आपके प्यार में किसी और की ये हो रही है? थिंक अबाउट दोस थिंग्स।
किसी और की लग रही है।
हाँ या
What?
Yeah.
What we talking about? What do you think?
हाँ
तो ये कह रहे हैं कि विशाल अरोड़ा जी पूछ रहे हैं ये कौन सा फद्दा हुआ?
फाड़ा हुआ।
हाँ, सलमान खान का जो भाई है,
हाँ उनका नाम मालूम नहीं मुझे।
अरबाज खान।
अरबाज खान, यस।
वो मलाइका अरोड़ा खान से शादीशुदा थे, राइट? दे हैव
के साथ शादी हुई थी। शादीशुदा थी।
whatever. उनकी शादी हुई थी। उनका एक आई थिंक 17-year-old का बच्चा भी
तो
है।
सलमान खान की भाभी जो है,
हाँ, मलाइका अरोड़ा खान,
बाबी खान,
हाँ.
उन्होंने they were actually having some trouble in the family because Arbaz Khan stepped out of the marriage.
Yes, Arbaz Khan is known to be apparently.
Well, no, she accused him of stepping out of the marriage. It actually happened. Transaction हुआ, तब से she's been unhappy and she's been bringing into light of the family, and the family did not want her to leave.
Yeah, they
But she's
tried to
fine.
bring her back again and
Yeah.
again and again and again. They tried to make it work, and she said that she tried to make it work many times. But eventually, she decided that enough is enough, and she left. And in the meanwhile, she had. She says that she had a really good friendship with Arjun Kapoor, and then they fell in love. So they haven't announced that they're going to get married or anything like that. And she says, why should we put labels
Correct.
on any relationship?
Makes sense to me.
Yeah, and it's absolutely right. I mean, don't put labels, stay in a relationship, as long as you want to stay in the relationship, it's fine. But when you commit and you put a label to a relationship and you say, oh, I'm going to make this lifelong vow till death do us apart and all that, then jolly well mean it.
Wow.
Right?
Okay.
Otherwise don't get married. No matter
wow.
what.
फालतू की क्या सीख है? By God, very good.
I
And of course, बजट अगर आप इसके ऊपर अमल कर सकते तो अमल कीजिएगा,
हाँ.
वरना याद रखिएगा एक जमाना आएगा जब हम आपके बारे में बात करेंगे शो पे।
Like, unless of course your life is in jeopardy. I mean, in the sense that somebody is hurting you, you're in an abusive relationship.
True.
Yes, then walk, run, don't stay.
Yeah.
But you know, if that is not the case, transgressions of you find somebody better, my
What?
left foot
Please,
again.
what do you want to give us? But I'm going to say stay happy.
Yeah.
When you stay happy, you don't have to look for happiness outside, but that's what happens. When you look for happiness outside is when you actually transgress. Look for happiness within, यार. अपने आप से खुश रहो, यार. Come on, अपने आप से प्यार करो. And कोई नहीं बोल सकता मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ.
Yes, exactly, Bajaj. तो इसी के साथ हम रेकर वेडनेसडे को छोड़े जाएंगे. We'll be back tomorrow with terrific Thursday with Good Morning Bay. हमें इजाजत दीजिए. Good night.
शब्बा खैर.
And अब प्यार भरा.
तेरे पीछे पीछे मेरी जाऊं ये कमाल हुआ रे मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ डार्लिंग तेरे लिए मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ डार्लिंग तेरे लिए मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ
भौकाल कर दिए कहते हैं कॉलर पे चश्मा टिका के मूंछों का बाण बना के लग गए हैं तेरे पीछे सेट वेट का जेल लगा के हमने तेरे पीछे यूपी के सब रास्ते नाप दिए हैं तेरे चक्कर में और रानी कितनों को कंटाप दिए हैं तेरी गली के बच्चों को मेरी बुलेट का नंबर याद हो गया हमारे घर वाले सोचे लौंडा उनका बर्बाद हो गया
मॉडल जैसी बॉडी